Going to get going with an AccuWeather alert. A flood watch has been issued in the Philadelphia region. Sky 6 is showing us the view of Center City, that skyline. Right now, it seems as though things look like they might be fine, but just wait till you get to this afternoon. You could be in for some storms this afternoon and this evening that could produce damaging winds and flash flooding.
Of course, it is hot and sunny out there, but you might notice those clouds. They are starting to move in. So let's get right with a first look at what we need to know from meteorologist Brittany Boyer in the Action News Weather Center, because we could be in for a ride this afternoon.
Yes, and things are already getting bumpy west of Philadelphia. Some of our northwestern suburbs already dealing with thunderstorms and heavy rainfall. Our flood watch goes into effect starting at 2 o'clock this afternoon, and it continues through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Notice this includes all areas, not just Philadelphia. So all areas need to make sure that you are staying weather aware as we go throughout the day. We've been watching the progression of this front. You can see a lot of the activity has been draped from the Ohio Valley through New England, but within the last 1 to 2 hours, we've started to see a lot of activity, again, bubbling up west of Philadelphia. So if we look at Storm Tracker 6 live radar here, we've got a couple of pop-up cells developing in South Jersey, but by and large, most of the activity has been across our western counties. Our exclusive radar site in Lancaster County picking up some of those heavy downpours. And I've already done some querying of some of these cells here to look at the intensity of some of the downpours in Lancaster and also Berks County. We're already dealing with rainfall rates at about 2 to 2.5 inches per hour. So there is the flooding concern. If you step outside, you're going to feel the tropical air. This is pretty much as muggy as it gets around here. Dew point of 77 in Philadelphia, 80 in parts of South Jersey. There is a lot of moisture to squeeze out of the atmosphere. So our greatest risk for today is going to be that flood threat. That's why we do have the flood watch. Downpours will be slow moving to at times stationary, which means cells are going to sit and just hover over the same location. We get those intense rainfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour. So you're going to want to watch out for the rapid rise of water on roads, also streams and creeks that could quickly rise. And Tam and John, we also have a severe weather threat.